Hey there, this is Zeph again. As promised, I told you I'll show you more. I'll show you things that are not popular in this market. So let me show you something that is very useful to an installer, very useful for your access control setup. Look at this, the access control accessory kit. So what am I talking about? You get the magnetic lock together with the bracket, you get a power supply for your access control system, and you also get a no touch exit button. How does that work? Let me show you. So imagine we provide this access terminal, this surface terminal, we provide this video doorbell, and you need to connect it to a lock. Actually, I can see another one right here. Yes, this type of doorbells. So you get this, you need to connect to a lock. That means you get a third party lock. It means you get a third party power supply. We solve that for you. That's why I'm showing you the smart power supply. So back at it, let's unbox and see it. So in the packaging, this packaging, which I'm just opening to show you what comes in. Uh, Inside the packaging, this is what you'll first get. This is the bracket for the magnetic lock. This is how it looks. So remember the ZL kind of things for you to install on the door, and all the accessories, the screws, it comes with them. That is one. There's also something else. This is the lock itself, the electromagnetic lock. Of course, it comes with it. What else? Let me show you. It comes with a quick guide and all that. It comes with these power adapters so that you can just plug in anywhere. Then there is this. We call this the infrared no touch exit button, of course. Then finally, we get this power supply unit. So what is this power supply? This it's an AC input, output 12 volts with a timer, uh, 2.5 and 5 amps power supply unit. So with this power supply, you're going to put your backup battery here, connect it. You see there is a terminal to connect the battery, then connect your access control, and you have a complete system. In my opinion, getting a whole package will save your installation work. It will also save you from unnecessary support from different vendors. One stop, you get everything that you need for your access control deployment. It's been me, Zeph. Thank you for following. Thank you.